What's up guys, pretty much here and welcome to another video guys, and in today's video I'll be talking to you about how to make money from blogging, right? You see all these people blogging and you actually wonder how to make money from it, right? Or probably you know it but you only know one source of income from it, right? So with blogging there's like sorts of types of different ways to make money from it, right? You can like have three streams of income just from blogging, right? So I just ended a search and went I just went in the Google search engine and searched for ways to make money online, and then I just like went into a random blog. I do not know who this guy is or anything. I am not affiliated. I'm just showing you an example of a blog, right? Me, I have my own blog, but it's not done. There's some parts that needs to be finished. So after I finish everything, I get my team to finish everything together. Then I can show you that guy. So for now, I'll just show you this site, right? So basically to write a blog is it's not that hard. It's basically writing all these things, right? So you write and then like for example how to make money online, and then you write the importance of it and everything, and then you suggest a certain product, right? Like this guy or this person, I don't know who, given all these links. If you click in one of the links, and then you purchase from any of these links, from any Amazon, even here is Amazon, right? You're going to get a commission, right? So basically, that's one way, right? So promoting basically products and telling the people the benefits of product, because some people like reading more than watching videos, right? So this is basically the way we all know it, right? Of making a blog, and basically that's the way we all know it, right? Well, there's the other way to let you it will make your basically it will cost you less time and basically less money, if you think about it, right? So um for example, you create a video, right? Like the one you are watching right now. So you create a video, right? And then you go to a site, for example, a video like how to make money online. You go to a site called Rev, just like rev.com, right? It's here, right? So you go to rev.com, they transform every single word that you say, they put it on a script and they send the script to you, right? Every single word that you say, they put it on the script. Every single word that I'm saying right now, if I go to Rev and transform this video, every single word they're going to transform it for me, right? So the way it works for any transcription or a caption of foreign subtitles, right? Or this is like other languages, right? So you go to it's $1 per minute. So if it's a 10-minute video, it's $10. If it's a 20-minute video, $20. You get the thing, right? If it's let me say 45-minute video, then it's $45, right? So it's $1 per minute. So I think it's a really fair price, right? So you go to rev.com, you go to learn more, and then you upload your video link, right? Your video link. It's a very trusted site. You can see they have all worked with all this company. I'm not reviewing. I am not even affiliated with Rev. I don't even know if it's affiliated of Rev, right? So you go to Rev, right? So and then you transform every single word that you say. For example, how to make money online, right? You made a video, for example, explaining how you must make money online, or how one must make money online, or anything, or something like that, right? So and then you upload that video on YouTube, right? So they basically get, and then also in the YouTube video you sell, right? So the same thing you saw when they transform everything, right? So it's the same. You put it on your blog, and then you just copy and paste, right? That's the whole thing of it, right? Well, I will watch out though, because they put every little single word. I mean, even the um, they put um, they put they put every single word. So you just wanna go there, quick, quick tweet, click it. Every that's in there, you take it out. Every word you try to bold the main titles or something. If it's main titles in your blog, something like that, and you put in the links and obviously and all that, right? So that's one way, right? So you create a blog like that, you make that. So that's one way if you don't want to write out your whole blog, right? And the other way, basically, and you sell, right, through the video that you just seen, right? So then you promote, right? And other way which I don't think these guys are doing. No, I think they are. Right? You go to uh you create the same video, right? Same video. You put the link of it in here, right? In online video converter, right? So basically, what this is, right? You can search any website that transforms videos to audios, right? You can search that any site. I just went to the first one I found when I searched on Google, right? So you go on this site, you go here, you put in your link, right? And it will download your file in a MP4 format, right? Why am I saying MP4? Because we want to make a podcast about it, right? So what do we do? So basically, what do you wanna make a podcast, right? So you make a podcast, the same video, you transform it into an audio, then you post it on the websites like iTunes and other website other sites that like where you can put podcasts on, iTunes and SoundCloud. Is that, I think, yeah, right. So I don't know. You search for all basically almost all the websites where there's podcasts, and then you upload your video there. How to make money online? I mean, not video. I mean your audio, right? So it's MP4, MP3, right? So you upload your audio there, you sell, and then under the podcast, you tell them to go to your site or to your blog, and again they make money. You make money from there. Or under the podcast, you can put a link, right? And then they click the link to your product or whatever you're referring them to, right? So that's basically one way. Like, look at I'm gonna show you an example of what I'm just talking about. This guy, I think this is actually a perfect example of uh of basically how to do it, right? So the same video, let me break it down to you. The same video, right? You recorded, right? So you're getting traffic from YouTube, right? You're getting traffic from your website, from your blog, from the same video. You just copy and pasted it, and you're also getting traffic to what? From what? From a podcast, right? So from the same video again, right? So remember that traffic from YouTube, traffic from the website, and traffic from the podcast. Just uploading one video, right? And then it gives out three. So there's three sources of income or three streams of income or three traffic sources, right? They're all going to one. So you get traffic from YouTube, traffic from the blog, and traffic from the podcast. We just need to know, just need to do a little bit of SEO, SEO, search engine optimizing, where you basically try to rank your video number one on YouTube, your podcast number one on Google, and your podcast number one on iTunes, or your regional number one on what or try to rank your blog, guys. So yeah, guys, those are some of the ways to make money with when you're starting out with blogging, right? So if you're wondering, there I broke it down to you. Those are the three ways. So basically, killing three birds with one stone, right? So don't put in a lot of this thing does require a lot of work and a lot of thinking. So don't think it's that easy. But then those are the ways to make money when you're starting from blogging, guys. Thank you for watching. My name is Philemon Shepherd, and if you have gotten any value from this video, guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I release more content like this on a daily basis, guys. So subscribe to the channel if you've enjoyed and like this video if you found it helpful. Another guys, see you next week. I mean tomorrow. Bye. Tomorrow. Oh.